I cannot get over this place. Zain, how's this place?
So nice place.
Very pretty. Very cute.
Pretty.
Very cute.
Very cute.
Okay, so look. I think we can even touch the water and like enter and start swimming. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope I showed you something that you didn't know about. I mean, especially this place. You know. Okay birdie, I won't talk a lot. Hello beauties, how are you guys doing? My hair looks good today. Okay, not that good, but it looks sour. At least better than the other days, right guys? So yeah, we are going for lunch right now. God, it looks so messy behind. We are going for lunch right now, and you know what I realized? My eyebrow thing is over. I need to buy a new one. That's why. So yeah guys, we are going for lunch. I don't know where we're going. With my brother and my cousin who came from Pakistan. We're taking him out like to see like Nakuru and some places out of Nakuru, so that he can explore a bit, you know, a bit of Kenya. So yeah guys, that's what we're doing today, and the weather is good today. My shades are for no use actually because it's cold. I think it's gonna rain. I hope it doesn't rain. I really hope it doesn't rain guys, but I think it's gonna rain. Why does it look like, imagine I don't even have earrings like me. So this is what I'm wearing. Like, I'm so simple guys, just wearing a nice stripped top and blue jeans and sneakers. Yep, that's me. And this thing keeps popping up. I need to remove it. So yeah guys, that's me today, and we're leaving like just now. It's like 1:15, so basically we'll eat lunch at around 4. I'm not sure because we just had breakfast. And I keep looking up because my screen is up, because I have to check if it's like focusing, and my mascara is messy. I don't know why today. So yeah guys, that's me today, and I'll see you guys, and I'll vlog a little bit of where we are going. I hope it will be interesting. Yep, and today is Monday. It's a public holiday, so yeah.
Hizi zingine ni kwanza buffalo nyati, ni mwanaume na mwanamke. Hizi ni mashavu jozi, hii ni mwanaume, hii ni mwanamke. Yeah. Hizi pembe zingine, hii ni antelope, tunamuita eland. Hii especially hii ni ya giraffe, inapatikana kwa shingo. Hizi ni joints za buffalo, hizo mbili. Hii ni shell, seashells. Snail inakuwa ni shell, ina grow ina reach to that point. kuna ingine tunaita house snake kwa hizo mahali tumejificha.
Zinazaana?
Unajua sasa hizi tunashika kwa kichaka. Ukishika unaleta kwa ndani.
The largest one, how old is it?
Sasa hii yenye kwa hapa hii unaona kichwa imeangalia huku ni yenye ilikuja juzi. Hii yenye ilishika kwa kichaka.
Biggest bird in the world here.
Flight leg.
Let's sit on that.
Kuja tu ipatie.
Yeah, it's real. You're giving it badly.
Give you guys.
Yeah. Yes, I know that man like you. Kanga design. Hapa hiyo design. Kuna ng'ombe.
Rock hierarchy, nyingine bush hierarchy, tree hierarchy.
Come here. Uta.
Yana kulia.
Ni nani?
Uta.
Ni first time na hilo.
Hivi waya, anakushika mkono na kuvuruga na kuduara. Mbele ya mimi ni mfanyakazi. Mimi naishi nje. Mimi ni mfanyakazi, nafanya kazi kama kuosha nini.
Oh my god, wow guys, this is something else. Can you guys see this shit? It's too good. Oh my god, I would just be here all day, like seriously. So beautiful guys. So pretty. Hello, I'm in love. So you guys, we ate at Spurs Burger. It was so nice guys. I really enjoyed it. I have never had their burger before and I honestly did enjoy it. It was really tasty. So before that we went to Utamaduni nature park, which was amazing. We got to see animals and we just had so much fun today. Today was a good day, I guess. We saw like different types of animals, some animals that I've never seen in my life, like seriously. And last but not least, we are at this beautiful resort in Naivasha. It is so nice guys. I need a night here. I need to come and stay here, like literally. It is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see like the property from here. And I showed you guys the pool area. And I think, if I'm not wrong, I don't know how many acres this is. Like seriously, amazing. I'm in love. And the lake is just here, like right here. So you guys can chill. I think this is a place to be. Like if you're looking for a holiday or like December and stuff, and this is a new place, so it's a place to come guys. It's so green. Oh my god, the grass is so green, like so green guys. It's like done so well. Like I think there's like a professional doing the grass or something. It is so good. Let me show you guys the property from right here where I'm standing, then I'll take you guys to the lake guys. Oh my god, I've really enjoyed my day today. So you guys can see, this is just the front area. I'm sure if you guys can Google this place, you guys will see how big, massive it is. Just reaching the parking lot was a mission, trust me. When I say greenery and grass properly, like properly slashed guys. Oh my god, this is amazing. Wow, there's a play area here. And now let's go to the lake. I see what you guys get to see over here. Animals just walking around like it's as if, you know. Oh my god, I love this place guys. I love this place. Hey mister, come back here. Come back here. And look at the water. There's so many birds around over here. There's something I'm trying to catch up to, and I don't know if it will run away when I reach there. God, please don't make it run away. I need seat. Why, hello cutie. Why, hello. Hi. Hi. Where are you off to? Where are you off to? Hey, mister. Anyways, guys, look at the lake. The stunning lake, Naivasha. So there is the property. And here is the lake. Can you guys see? So pretty. This beautiful place. I am Shirley. There's a chill zone area here, guys, as you guys can see. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you guys this. Imagine the guy in the park, in the nature park, gave me this for free. It's so cute, guys. So pretty. It's so soft. I'm gonna like keep it somewhere like safely. So soft. Feels so nice. And it's so like long. Can you guys see? Can you guys see how long it is? Matches the color of my nails. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for clicking on this video, and please comment down below on where should I explore next. So yeah guys, I swear this place is heaven. I would just chill here, just chill, you know. My hair keeps coming on my face because there's so much wind over here, but it's a beautiful place, guys. It's a beautiful place. Damn my highlight. Damn. Kisses.